Hi, welcome to Sophie Share Wales and Creuynni. Hoping this is broadcasting okay. Yep, looks like it's good. Brilliant. So a slightly earlier time, so it's going to be an earlier time from now on, 8:30, just because I've got some great training at 9 o'clock with Ellen Sentia, well recommended by the way, so on some Sundays, so I thought I'd shift it a bit earlier. Plus the nights are drawing in, so it's quite nice to have that time. So today is another meditation that I'd like you to join me with. This one's on a meditation requested from someone. He was like, oh, could you do a meditation about hope? I need some hope in these times. I was like, okay. And so I've had to think about it and connect with it, and got this lovely meditation for you. And the intention is to connect with that wisdom of hope. So just to begin with, I'll explain a bit more in a minute. I'm going to invite you to open up that meditation space. So you can do it with the mind, or if you want to do it physically, about a foot above your head, opening up your meditation space around you. So you're going to find to the mind, this is my meditation space. This is my moment, just the next 10 minutes, just to meditate, to be setting that intention, to connect with that wisdom of hope. And before we do this, I'm just going to take a moment to connect with ourselves in that meditation space. And taking a moment just to connect with the breath. Taking a moment just to breathe and feel that breath where it moves in the body. See if you can feel the breath as it moves from the head all the way to the feet, and maybe even the space between the breath and the feet to the head. So breathing with that whole body. Just giving yourself a moment to allow that breath to lengthen, to slow. And how slow can you get that breath? As you breathe from the head to the feet, all that space in between, seeing how long that space in between the breaths can hold on for, and all the way back. I'm just going to give you a few moments just to connect with that, lengthening that breath. If you want to occupy your mind, it's just simply aware of my breath. I breathe in. And I feel that space between the breaths. Aware of the breath, I breathe out. As you're aware of that breath as you breathe in and breathe out, maybe being a little aware of the body, adjusting the body if you choose a little. So you're in that balance, that groundedness on the earth, that connection to the earth, and that connection to yourself as you connect with that breath. Aware of that breath, I breathe in, feeling that space. Aware of the breath, I breathe out. So you imagine, sense, visualize, we're that holographic universe. We're a holographic universe, like Michael Talbot suggests. Somewhere within us is that hope, those glimmers of hope. So we're just going to take a moment just to connect with that. It can be as simple, aware of the hope within me. I breathe in, feel that space, aware of the hope within me, I breathe out. And with that intention, that awareness, just seeing where that hope lives within you. Aware of that hope within me. I breathe in, feeling that space, aware of the hope within me, I breathe out. And where does that hope live in you? Where do you notice? Is it in your body? Is it around the body? If hope lived in you somewhere, where would it be? Maybe if you answer that sentence for me, hope is Where's that hope in you in this moment? Where can you see it? Where can you find it? Again, that holographic universe, that everything is part of us, we're part of everything. So where in that part of everything is hope living within you? Breathing with that awareness, feeling with that awareness. And just noticing, is it an image or a shape, a colour? What does that hope look like? Aware of the hope, I breathe in. Aware of that hope within me, I breathe out. Again, noticing what you notice, that image, that colour. As you breathe with that awareness, maybe just asking, how can I grow that hope a little? Maybe it's small, maybe it's big, but you can ask yourself, how can I grow that a little? I can grow it by, you can imagine, sense, visualise that hope growing bigger and bigger. Bigger and bigger. As it gets bigger and bigger, maybe bringing into awareness what it is you're hoping for in this moment. I'm hoping for, and adding those words. In this moment, I'm hoping for, and allow that image of what you're hoping for to come into your awareness. I'm hoping for allowing yourself to dream in this moment. This is what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping for. Breathing that awareness and as many hopes that you've got in this moment. Just bringing that to the awareness. I'm hoping for. Whether or not they'll come or not, we're not concerned. This is just the hopes in this moment. I'm hoping, maybe doing it on a personal level, but you can also do it on a more universal level as well, putting in your hopes in for the world around you. Breathing with that awareness, bringing up all those hopes that you'll want to connect with in this moment. And how many do you want to connect with in this moment? Is it just one you want to focus on, or is it a few? Breathing with that awareness of those hopes. And maybe bringing it down to maybe 3 of your main strongest ones now. I hope for. I hope for. So breathing that awareness, feeling that awareness. Now you can work with 3 or you can work with 1. Feeling those hopes, what they look like in front of you. Is there an image, a feeling? Do you focus on 1? Is it a 3? Do you get a sense of all of them? If more come up, allow them to come up. It's totally okay for these hopes to come up. I hope for. And maybe choosing 1. Breathing with that awareness. As you breathe with that awareness of that hope, you can ask, why do I want to bring that hope into being? Just noticing what answers come. Why do I want to bring that hope into being? Of course, you may already know, but it's just like, what question and what answer comes? What hope can I bring into being now? Why do I want to bring this into being? And you can ask, how can I bring this into being? And you can even ask, is it beneficial for me to bring this into being? can even ask, is this the right thing for me to do in this moment or future moments? If you feel a yes, I'm going to invite you now just to step through that hope. Step through that hope to the place where that hope or those hopes are fulfilled. Just stepping through that hope into that place where that hope is fulfilled. What would this place feel like? What does this place feel like? In this moment, it feels like breathing with that awareness, feeling that awareness, and see if you can bring this into a physical movement if you can. So we're working a lot with the psyche, seeing if we can bring it into the physical. How does your body want to move when that hope is met, when that hope becomes reality? How does that body want to move? How can we anchor that in? That hope is met. Seeing if you can bring that to some images, sounds, smells, anything that can anchor it in, that can remind you of how it feels when that hope becomes reality, when that hope is met. And seeing if you can bring it to some words. In this moment, in this place, I am. And repeating that a few times just to anchor that in. In this moment, in this place, I am. And one more time. In this moment, in this place, I am. And I feel. Really then coming back to that awareness, breathing that awareness, and bringing that into yourself. Again, repeating those words in this moment. See if you can bring that into you now in this moment. In this moment, in this place, I am. And I feel. And then coming back again to breathe from the head to the feet, feeling that connection with the earth, and the feet to the head. Breathing with that whole body. And then when you're ready, it's just a case of dipping underneath that cloak, that meditation space, bringing it up to about a foot above your head, and then bringing that down. And feeling how you're feeling. Maybe one more time repeating that. In this moment, I am. And I feel. So I'm just going to give you a couple of moments just to write that down. I really recommend you write it down because it helps you remember, it helps your body remember it, your mind remember it, and you can let the universe know as well. So I'm just going to do that now. So I write that down and I've got a little note with them all so I can come back to them, repeat them. Sometimes I record them to play them to myself. And, you know, just as we've been programmed from a young age, so too we can program ourselves. So with these words, with this wisdom, we can do that. So I hope that was useful for you. And you can do that meditation as many times as you like for as many hopes that you like. Just allowing yourself to bring that into hope and step through that hope. And really getting a sense of what that is. And how to bring it in. Thanks for sharing, and we'll do some longer meditations with this on the Skype group, I expect in the future. See you again. More wishes.